Suited up, dressing in style. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or maybe in conversations. Suited up. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and know how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Suited up is a phrase that has a very direct meaning. It refers to someone wearing a suit, which is typically a jacket and trousers or a skirt made from the same material. Suits are often associated with formal events, business meetings, or any occasion where one needs to look professional and polished. Example: John suited up for his job interview at the bank. While the phrase directly refers to wearing a suit, it can also have some extended meanings. When someone says they are suited up, it can imply 1. They are prepared and ready for something, not just in terms of clothing but also in mindset. 2. They are taking the event or situation seriously. 3. They want to make a good impression. Example: the team suited up and reviewed their strategies before the big presentation. The phrase, suited up, gained popularity, especially due to TV shows and movies. Characters, especially those in professional settings or ones who are about to undertake a significant task, might exclaim that it's time to suit up to indicate they're getting ready. Remember, in pop culture, the phrase doesn't always refer to wearing an actual suit. It could mean getting ready for action or an important event. Example: in a superhero movie, before the final battle, one of the characters might say, "Let's suit up," meaning it's time to put on their armor or gear. There you have it. Now you know what suited up means both literally and in a broader sense. English is full of such exciting and dynamic phrases, and understanding them can make your communication richer and more nuanced. We hope this video was helpful. Remember, always be prepared, and maybe sometimes, even suit up for the challenges ahead. Happy learning!